If you're looking for a way to lower your blood sugar levels, look no further than your kitchen. These 10 superfoods are all known to help regulate blood sugar levels, and they're all delicious too. So watch the video now to learn more about these 10 amazing foods, and find out how you can add them to your diet today. Superfood number 1, berries. A study published in the journal, Diabetes Care, suggests that eating blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and blackberries may help lower blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. The study found that participants who ate the berries had a decrease in blood sugar levels after eating compared to those who didn't eat the berries. The researchers believe that the berries' antioxidants might be responsible for this effect. Superfood number 2, cinnamon. Cinnamon is a spice that has been used for centuries to lower blood sugar levels. This spice contains compounds that can help the body decrease the amount of glucose in the bloodstream. Cinnamon also helps regulate blood sugar levels by stimulating the release of insulin. Superfood number 3, olive oil. Olive oil has been shown in numerous studies to be effective at lowering blood sugar levels. Studies have shown that olive oil can help lower blood sugar levels by decreasing the amount of glucose that is absorbed from food. Olive oil can also help to decrease the amount of insulin that is needed to regulate blood sugar levels. Overall, olive oil is a great way to reduce your risk for developing diabetes or heart disease and improve your overall health. Superfood number 4, green tea. Green tea is a popular drink that has been shown to have health benefits. One study showed that people with type 2 diabetes who drank green tea had lower blood sugar levels than those who did not drink green tea. Another study showed that people with type 2 diabetes who drank green tea 3 times a day had better blood sugar control than those who did not drink green tea. Superfood number 5, yogurt. A recent study indicated that yogurt may be an effective way to lower your blood sugar levels. The study found that people who ate yogurt every day had a 21% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes than those who did not eat yogurt. Furthermore, the study also found that people who ate yogurt with added blueberries had a 34% lower risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Superfood number 6, garlic. Garlic is an excellent way to lower your blood sugar levels. It contains allicin, a compound that helps to break down blood sugar in the body. Garlic also has other compounds that can help to regulate blood sugar levels, so it can be a great way to manage your diabetes. Superfood number 7, fish. If you're looking to lower your blood sugar levels, consider adding fish to your diet. While there isn't evidence that fish can cure diabetes, research shows that eating fish can help improve blood sugar control in people with pre-diabetes or diabetes. In addition, fish is a good source of protein and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which have been linked with better blood sugar control. Superfood number 8, avocado. Avocado is a great addition to your diet if you are looking to lower your blood sugar levels. This fruit is high in potassium, which helps to regulate blood sugar levels and keep them stable. Additionally, avocados are a good source of vitamins B6 and A, both of which have been shown to help reduce the risk of diabetes. Superfood number 9, walnuts. Walnuts are a great way to lower your blood sugar levels. They are high in fiber and healthy fats, so they help you feel full longer and keep your appetite under control. They also contain antioxidant nutrients that can help fight off diseases. Superfood number 10, green leafy vegetables. Green leafy vegetables are a great way to lower your blood sugar levels. They are high in fiber, which can help to regulate digestion and keep your blood sugar levels stable. They also contain different types of antioxidants which can help to protect your cells from damage. Eating foods that help to lower blood sugar levels is a great way to improve overall health. By incorporating some of the superfoods listed above into your diet, you can help to regulate blood sugar levels, reduce your risk of developing diabetes, and boost your overall energy levels. So what are you waiting for? Start eating healthy today and see the difference it makes in your life. Thanks for watching.